Hello, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 10s. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Security and Biometrics, and go to Screen Lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's select non firstly, and let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select swipe, pin, password, and in the end pattern. Once it's done, we can go to Face Unlock and simply scan our face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the tab. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.